and it does look like a spider web in here. We're taking out we got all the insulation on the main body out. So now we're taking out the wiring, which has been interesting.
Yeah, because in 67, it was still okay to use aluminum wiring without a ground, but they were in a transition phase where they were going to aluminum wiring with a ground. So we got a mix of both in here, and we're going to take it all out, and it's going to be all new wiring that will be up to current code.
Yeah, the code being no fires. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a good code to literally live by. So that's what we're working on now.
We started taking out some of the floor, so that's a black tank back there and part of the old toilet. There is what's that, the bed pan?
No, underbelly.
Underbelly.
Yeah, bed pan's a different thing. Completely different.
Is a vehicle. Anyway, so we started to cut that out. So far the frame's looking pretty good.
A lot more to go still on that, but
we still have the caps still attached just because they're large and you can't get them out when you're working in here, and we needed to get all this other stuff out first.
Yep.
So that's where we're at. There's the old stove, wheel wells on the inside. So yeah, that's where we're at.